When I joined Amnesty, I was very aware of the clout that we had internationally. And I was very aware that actually when Amnesty got involved in people's cases, their cases, you know, there were positive outcomes from those cases. And I guess, you know, one little thing like signing a petition, you might think that that's nothing, but actually when you are one name of 100,000 names and that gets presented to a government, it shows them that, wow, okay, Amnesty International's members are watching me and they are listening and they know that actually if we torture this person, they'll find out and they'll speak about it. And actually internationally, if that gets out, it makes us look bad. So just knowing the power that Amnesty has, and also knowing that the power of Amnesty lies in its membership and its members. Without its members, there'd be no Amnesty, you know. So for me, it's just making little changes at that level, that actually if I sign this petition, the likelihood that that person will be freed or they won't be tortured or, you know, that community get to stay and not be forcefully evicted. I mean, why wouldn't you join an organisation that enables you to do things like that?
The very first Amnesty case that I heard about really moved me. This was the story about Moses, a 15-year-old boy from Nigeria. The police suspected that he had stolen a couple of cell phones, but he denied. So they started to torture him, and they pulled out his fingernails, one after one, until he confessed and said, yes, I did it. And then they put him in jail. When I heard about this story, I decided I had to take action by joining Amnesty International.
I wanted to see Amnesty move away from being an organisation that was about values that people thought of as Western values, which is completely wrong. The key thing about human rights is everybody has human rights. Everybody should be able to exercise their human rights. And one fantastic change that Amnesty has been through has been trying to push out around the world and go local so that people can identify with Amnesty in their local country, do actions that relate to them, but also if they have time to do actions that relate to someone far away.